Good morning. Oh, my hair is caught in my earring. But good morning. Welcome to a morning analysis video. I have to leave for work in 10 minutes, so let's hope we can get this done before 10 minutes because as you can see, I'm not in my uniform. I just filmed a not a morning analysis, a trade recap on my TikTok. If you guys don't follow it, go follow it. It is Sahara's channel. I post like short form trade recaps and morning analysis videos. Let me have a drink of my juice. Okay, so yesterday I didn't take a trade. I was waiting for price to get below this level to take an entry because there's buyers sitting here, but that didn't happen, which is okay. So when we start on the 1 hour, let's clean the chart up a little bit because there's a little bit too much going on. Clearly we're not going above this level at the moment, so let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of these alerts, and I like to clear up my chart so I don't have too much information going on. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Okay, now we're only looking at current price action. When you take away all of that, you can really see how choppy this area was. Yeah. So, where do I even start, honestly? We've got this, obviously, in this range that's here where it's really choppy. We've got this level of support where price was being pushed up from, but it's a price bearish below level. And then we have this new range that I put where it's price is bullish above this little level here and price is bearish below this level. I'm going to get rid of this because we're not looking for buys at the moment, and I feel like that kind of clouds up the chart a little bit. And I'm actually going to bring this alert here so that we know when we're entering back into this choppy range. So I'm going to keep it at that. I'm going to get rid of the support because we don't really care about the support anymore. We're looking from a resistance point of view. I think we'll move that here. We don't care if there's strong buyers sitting here because we're on the other side of that. We've broken through those buyers. And the sellers have proven to be stronger. So now we're looking at this range here. This is where market opened this week, and this week we've been really trendy. We have FOMC coming out tonight, which I didn't see, so I appreciate someone commented on one of my videos saying that there's FOMC, so charts might be choppy, and I actually missed that on my weekly analysis, so thank you. So where do I even start with this? So obviously we're looking down here. Maybe we should go on the 4 hour so I can get no. The 1 hour was clearer. Let me go back. Okay. We're gonna move this. So I don't believe there's like a no trade zone just yet. Price broke out of this range where a few people took a trade in this area. Again, for me, it looked like negative RR. Explained why I didn't take that trade on my trade recap, and I also explained a little bit more into it on my trading diaries episode, which I recommend that you guys watch because I talk about it a lot more. And anyway, so we can see that I was waiting for price to break this level again to make a new indication, and price did do that. It made a new indication which was super clean. It made a correction. It reacted off of this level basically, and then it started to push down. Now I want to take a trade still when price is below this level. I don't want to take a trade up here, and I say that because there's a level that price pushed off of this level, this low here, when it made the all-time highs. So I don't want to be trading here because there seems to be strong buyers here. I'm going to move this alert down here. I actually don't really understand why there was an alert there. Might have been internal structure. But yeah, so price is obviously bearish from this point. So I'm just gonna, we'll put an arrow there. Let's make it purple so that everything coordinates. So price is obviously pushing off of this point, and is the strong seller sitting here, and here's another level where price is broken a low. It looks like it should be a little bit more stretched out. Give it a little bit of room. Okay, yeah, price is obviously reacting off of here as a resistance. So let's scale inwards. We can see that there was some bullish market structure on this correction, which is great. And then we can see that price broke a low here. It broke another low here. I saw this in my trade recap, and you guys will see I literally almost crashed out because I was like, Like there's an entry for me. Well, not an entry, but look, the price is breaking. Oh, actually, it is an entry. If it wasn't for New York session not being in and it being completely out of session, I would have taken that. Like if I got this set up, maybe over here, I would have been in that trade, but it's out of session, so I'm not gonna jump in. I'm not gonna impulsively enter out of session like 20 hours before New York. I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, price is obviously back above this level, and it just goes to show to not impulsively get into trades. I'm gonna set an alert here at this low. Obviously, I hope that price doesn't get there. I'm also gonna set one at this swing low. These are just swing points on the chart, so you can see it's making a low, and then the other two wicks are higher again here. I learned that from Wick Source Flow. I have to leave in 5 minutes. Okay. It looks like there are buyers sitting at these two wicks here because price wicked down here and then it just reacted and pushed back up. Let's go into the 5 minute because I feel like the 5 minute might give us a little bit more clarity on this continuation. So we broke a low, we broke a high. Continuation starts from here. Low, lower high, lower low. Internal structure. Lower high. Lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Interesting. I low-key think price might be a little bit choppy and move a little bit slow today. We've got FOMC tonight, and I know that Feds were speculating rate cuts, which means that gold should go up. So if the rates do end up cutting, then gold should be going up. So it would be a little bit more risky to take a sell, especially with that speculation as well. Like the sellers might not be as strong with the Fed speaking tonight, but I'll have to go through my trading podcast to get a better idea on that because I didn't listen to my trading podcast, not my trading podcast, my market update podcast yesterday, and I listened to those and they just basically give me an idea of the geopolitical events of the world, but it's not like a must do, but it's like a nice to have, I'd say. So yeah, I really just want to see how price plays out, but to give you an idea of what I want to see is I want to see price go below this level. I'm okay with price chopping around for a bit, but I want to see price break below this level in either after the first hour of London or New York. Ideally, that London and New York crossover, I would like to see it. And then again, this stop loss is perfect. Maybe I'll put my stop loss just above this level where the buyers are, and then have my take profit down here, or even I would probably put it here. I'd probably put my first TP here because I can see that there's a resistance level here. I don't know if I'll be able to take partials, but if I can, I'll take partials right at this level. Simply because that's where there are buyers, and then if I can see that price is rejecting off of that point, then I'll see what I'll do from that point. But my overall target will be down here. I've read the candle closes or the wick. But yeah, that's my idea for now. I really do just want to see what price does. For my alert, I'm going to set an alert here because I want to know if price is breaking below that, and I want to see if price closes. Set an alert here at this swing high here, and I really don't need to set two alerts right next to each other. And then I'll set an alert right at this high, and then I want to set an alert right behind here. And this obviously looks excessive, but I'm going to be at work all day and price is at my point of interest. So if price moves and either breaks a higher or low, I want to know about it. And I'm just going to be looking, glimpsing, and then not really taking any entries most likely. Okay, I need to leave soon. Let's quick look at the DXY. DXY still in indecision. Nothing is moving on the DXY, which is absolutely insane. That's what, like 5 days in a row now. And then gold is just pushing down. It looks like it's going up in this daily candle, but at the end of the day, it's still pushed below all of these levels, and it pushed below this low. It didn't close below this low, which is interesting, but it made a lower candle close than that low. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys have a great trading day. Good luck with today's trading day, and I will speak to you guys later today for my trade recap, my trading diaries episode. And yeah, bye.